IoT, the Internet of Things, unleashing the digital revolution. So it will be me, Hyansh Kohli, who will be your today's presenter. And today I would like to tell you more about IoT. Welcome to the IoT revolution. The Internet of Things is transforming our world, connecting everyday objects and unleashing endless possibilities. Join me on a journey to explore the impact of IoT on our lives and industries. Understanding the IoT ecosystem. So guys, do you know that the IoT ecosystem is filled with sensors, devices, connectivity and data analytics. These are going to be its main fundamentals. And as you can see, a 6G phone out over here, it would have inbuilt sensors. There would be small. Now 6G is not only used for phone, it is used for so many devices. 6G's connectivity would be very fast, and the data analytics stored inside the 6G phone or any device would be in vast numbers. Now my friends, as our world of technology continues, at the olden days, like you're downloading a file, it used to take almost a whole day to download the file. But now the data transfer is got so fast that you can transfer gigabytes in just some seconds. That's how fast 6G is, and that's how fast the IoT ecosystem is making it. These interconnected elements enable the seamless exchange of information, creating a digital web that revolutionizes how we interact with the world. IoT applications in smart homes. Guys, now I'm sure that at least we might be having one smart IoT application in our house, like smart TVs. Nowadays, do you know that smart lights are also coming? In Singapore, whenever I go on the stairs, that time the light automatically senses my body and switches on its light. It actually helps in the energy usage and helps to decrease the utility bills. This makes it more efficient, secure and convenient. Like Alexa and Siri, they also have a sensor put in them and they have vast data in them. You ask them anything, within a few minutes they will give you the answer. And also like that, there is ChatGPT, which also can give you the answer in a few seconds. That's how fast IoT applications in smart homes are. Now my friends, let's explore this in a more deeper way. IoT in home security. With IoT, smart home security systems can integrate cameras, sensors and alarms, providing real-time monitoring and alerts. This enhances safety and gives homeowners peace of mind knowing their homes are protected. Now my friends, let's take an example. There is a house in which there is IoT function put in it, and there are smart integrated cameras put over there, and there is a home lock which is filled with IoT ecosystem. Now my friends, every day what it will do, it will recognize all the family members and all the people who are living in the house. But if it sees anybody who is not from the house or somebody who is unknown, he will give a message, somebody unidentified found, and should I let him in or not? Now it depends on you, and you will be able to see the camera recording anytime you want. That's how fast IoT in home security is. It gives you peace of mind knowing your homes are protected. IoT in energy management. Now, as I had talked earlier, you must have heard that I told IoT in energy management can lead to lesser utility bills, and I had talked about the stairs, about the sensors put in the lights. Now, let's explore it more. IoT enables energy efficient smart homes by optimizing heating, cooling, and lighting based on occupancy and environmental conditions. This leads to reduced energy consumption and lower utility bills, contributing to a sustainable lifestyle. Now, my friends, as I told you, light is one of the most common factors that happens. Now, do you know that this can lead to lower utility bills? But remember, my friends, everything that has an advantage also has a disadvantage, because a sensor would sensor any body and automatically on the light or any other smart device. But my friends, this can lead to more energy consumption sometimes, as there might be sometimes you do not need the light, it is dark and you don't need the light. Or sometimes what happens at your dog or your any other pet, it comes near the light will automatically get on, and that can lead to higher utility bills. But my friends, this is not that much common, but mostly it leads to lower utility bills. Now, as old at the olden days, we had to go to the switch, we had to off it, but IoT is making our technology faster and better. This is the world of technology in IoT. IoT in healthcare, enhancing patient care. IoT technologies are reshaping healthcare delivery, enabling remote patient monitoring, personalized treatment plans, and real time health data analysis. The integration of IoT in healthcare promises improved patient outcomes and operational efficiency. Now, my friends, as you can see over here, the robot is doing a surgery, and do you know they will have smart cameras built inside them? The robot would have a function or a code put into it by which it will only do the things that you're told, which leads to lesser pain for the patient. Sometimes the doctor or the nurse can do some mistakes, but the robot cannot, because he has the function identified in it. And over here, it promises improved patient outcomes and operational efficiency. It also has a camera, because if anything happens to the patient, as you can see as you can see, this is a camera and this is giving light to the robot which is doing the surgery. Now, my friends, anything that happens to the patient, the robot, some sirens would start and the doctor can come and check what happened with the patient. Data-driven insights in healthcare unlock valuable insights from vast amounts of healthcare data collected by IoT devices. Advanced analytics and machine learning provide actionable intelligence for improved decision making and resource allocation. Now, my friends, advanced analytics, what does it mean in machine learning? As you know, cancer has the least treatment. Now the doctor, what he will do, he'll carry out experiments, but there will be a camera who will be observing him, and at the future world he will be able to store all of the data, and sometime when the experiment is correct, that time the robot will store it as a permanent data for cancer or a cure of cancer. Now, and do you know, in the future, after the cure of cancer is found, The doctors will only put just a chip inside the robot, and the robot can actually do the treatment. They can actually do the treatment of the patient, even for cancer. So, my friends, do you know in the such a small chip, a lot of data is stored, and the robot identifies which problem is inside the patient, and he would be able to get the correct cure for it. Remote healthcare delivery extend healthcare beyond traditional settings with remote patient monitoring and telemedicine enabled by IoT. This facilitates access to care, especially in underserved areas, and reduces healthcare disparities. Now, my friends, what is telemedicine? Who knows what is telemedicine? Now, telemedicine is something which is recording the data of your body, and sometimes it can be a smartwatch which will record which will record your heartbeat. Nowadays, heartbeat is the most popular in this telemedicine. But my friends, sometimes the doctor gives you for monitoring. The doctor gives you a telemedicine, and you wear it. Now it will track all, and it will give all of the data to the doctor, and anything bad happens would be immediately contacted to the doctor. Now, as you can see over here, she is talking to the doctor, to her doctor. So the doctor does, so she doesn't need to come every time to the doctor, because it might actually take a lot of time. She can just call the doctor, and the doctor can tell her medicines which she needs to take, because the telemedicine would give the doctor the exact data he wanted, and he would be able to identify which type of medicine he needs to give to his patient. Now, my friends, what is remote healthcare delivery? Now, let's take an example. There is somebody who's sitting in Delhi and he needs blood immediately, but there is no blood in the blood bank in Delhi, and it's only in Noida. Now, my friends, you cannot just come by the car, and because it will take a lot of time. What the doctor can do, they can send a drone, and on the drone they can put the blood pressure over there. It would have the GPS enabled in it, and it will be able to identify your face and only give it over there and come back. So this is, it will skip all of the jam, because if you are on a car, there might be jam and you might get late. But by a drone, there is very less jam, and you can reach faster at a place. So this is over here, the IoT is coming by the drone, and the GPS enabled by him, and the smart cameras that he has to avoid the obstacles coming in between it. IoT in agriculture, precision farming. The agriculture sector is embracing IoT to optimize crop management, monitor soil conditions, and automate irrigation systems. By harnessing IoT technologies, farmers can enhance productivity and sustainability in a rapidly evolving industry. Now, my friends, as over here you can see all of these, I will explain you all of these in farming. Now, over here, this is all of the grains that are growing over here, and they're over here. This is the water level which needs to be provided. This is drone. Now, why is the drone getting used over here? Now, my friends, not every time the farmer would go to check on his farm if everything is going well. He can just send a drone, and the drone can check. And also, irrigation can happen like this. By that, what will happen, that the drone can easily spray water. And my friends, nowadays it's getting popular, and and the water will spray in every plant, and it will have a GPS which would tell how much water usage needs to be given to everyone. This is IoT involved. It knows the exact data, how much it needs to give to every or each plant. Now it will use it and give the same amount of data. Do you know this would help in less crop failures, as always the same amount of water would be added to the plants and they will grow better. Now over here, as you can see, there are optimized drugs, as you can see over here. Now over here, the harvesting, the farmer can easily do the harvesting, as he can easily collect the crops by this way. And the tires would also be meant for it and they would not break. This is the temperature, and also it will tell the pH of the soil, if it's acidic or not. Now this is about the sun level or the bright. Now over here, the drone will able to catch if how much sunlight is getting received to the plants, and it would send the information to the farmer. IoT and sustainable cities. IoT plays a pivotal role in building smart cities by optimizing energy usage, improving transportation systems, and enhancing public safety. The integration of IoT technologies is driving urban sustainability and resilience. Now, my friends, as you can see over here, the data is getting connected. Now, these you might be able to see in only multi-political cities, and some cities like you can say Delhi, Dubai, New York, Chicago, Singapore, Japan, Tokyo. These all cities might be having this type of technology. They would be able to transfer the data in just some quiet milliseconds, and they can also store the energy from the electricity that is coming from the thunder. Now, my friends, this is all IoT in sustainable cities. The future of IoT innovations ahead. The future of IoT holds boundless potential with advancements in AI, edge computing, and 5G unlocking new possibilities. Embracing these innovations will propel the IoT ecosystem with AI and machine learning into an era of unprecedented connectivity and intelligence. So, my friends, the future world of IoT and technology will be vast. A lot of data would be able to spread, and as you can see now over there will be projecting screens which would be able to, you do not need any device to project the screen. You can just project it and the light would come. This is also a future innovation of IoT, and you will be able to see every data that the nurse needs to see in the human body, and you will be able to explore it more. So this is all. Thank you. Now there's an appendix which is IoT healthcare security. Addressing the security and privacy concerns surrounding IoT in healthcare is crucial. Protecting sensitive patient data and ensuring the integrity of connected devices are paramount for successful implementation. Now, my friends, IoT healthcare security over here is not completely secure, but as now it might not know, every time when the robot comes it might not know which type of surgery the patient has. But yes, in the future world there will be cameras which will be able to identify that. So thank you. I hope you enjoyed this PPT, and please like and subscribe for more good informational videos. Thank you.